Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start by ensuring sync and a clear workspace. Sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud for notes so everything stays updated across devices. Then create a folder to organize this topic and tap the new Note button to begin typing immediately. Use the toolbar to add headings or checklists. This makes retrieval faster. Once done, give the note a descriptive title so search finds it later. That small step saves time. Next, make your notes powerful by adding structure and media. Convert items into checklists for actionable workflows, insert tables for quick data, and attach documents or images to retain context. Use the camera scan feature to capture receipts or forms. It auto-aligns and improves legibility. Then tag notes with consistent keywords and pin high-priority items so they stay at the top. Make sure to rename attachments and use folders for long-term organization. That keeps search precise and fast. Finish by setting sharing and security so your notes are both collaborative and private. Tap the Share button to invite others and choose Edit or View permissions. Use Lock Note to secure sensitive content with Face ID or a passcode. Export or send notes when you need copies outside Apple Notes. If something goes wrong, check Recently Deleted, confirm iCloud Sync is active, and verify account settings. Recovering from simple sync glitches usually restores missing items quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.